Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Modic tokens from Gemini to Crypto.com, with tips tailored for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have active accounts on both Gemini and Crypto.com, and that you have some Modic in your Gemini wallet. Always double-check your balances before any transfer to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head to the dashboard and locate the Withdraw or Transfer section. This is usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Step 2. Select Modic as the asset you want to withdraw. Gemini might ask you to choose the network, so make sure it's set to Polygon, as Modic operates on that blockchain. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet, find your Modic address, and copy it carefully. Pro tip. Verify the address multiple times to prevent any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back on Gemini, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Modic you want to transfer and review any fees. In 2025, expect potential network fees, so keep an eye on those to minimize costs. Step 5. Hit Confirm on the withdrawal. Gemini will likely prompt for two-factor authentication, which is a great security feature. Once approved, the transfer will initiate. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Polygon network, this could take just a few minutes, but it depends on network congestion. You can track the status using a blockchain explorer. Finally, once it's done, log back into Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the Modic has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers involve risks like fees or wrong addresses, so always stay cautious. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.